Good morning everyone. From the picture I have seen 5 characters, one female, one male. Age group is between 25 to 60 years old. Overall mood is positive. The action of my story is saving the family during the flood situation. Sharad was coming back from the market after the shopping and it was heavily raining, so roads were already blocked. When they were just going to their home, a huge wave came and flooded the whole area. So Sharad and his elder brother Shravan, they were the good swimmers. So they evacuated their family to the side of the building and climbed to the terrace. And they also helped the neighbors. They stay there until the forces come, provide them first aid and food.
Giant gentlemen, I have perceived 5 characters from these pictures. One is female, rest 4 are male. Overall mood is positive, age ranging between 22 to 38. Action of my story is Ram saving the villagers and the family from the flood situation. Ram, a cadet of NCC, was on the vacation and he went to village for visiting his parents. And his village was located near the river. As it was rainy season, due to heavy rain, there was a flash flood. He took his family to the center area which was located on the top part of the village, and he also carried torchlight, dry food, gas and some drinking waters. When he reached there, he gathered other youth and he went for the saving the rest of the villagers who were missing. He went and rescued all the people, those who were drowning. He caught them with the collars and dragged them to the rescue point. And he also gave them the first aid, initial first aid, and they provided them the drinking water and the basic foods. And he signaled with the torchlight for the rescue teams until the rescue team reached. He took care of all the members. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture I have perceived 5 characters, one female and one male. Age bracket is from 25 years to 37 years. Overall mood is positive. Theme of my story is rescuing his neighbor from the drowning in the village flood. Tanay Mishra is a 28-year-old, is a resident of Neelpuri village. This village is situated to a canal nearby. During monsoon season, the water level in the canal rises, and due to which the water of the canal overflowed to the village. The village is flooded proficiently. Then he finds his neighbor is being panicked and drowning. Then he immediately rushed to save him. Also his brother and auntie also rushed to save another man. After saving him, they find the high land and stay there till next help arrive. Also he call emergency services and get help from there. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. From the given picture, I perceive 5 characters. 4 are males and 1 is female. The age is between 21 years to 30 years old. The overall mood is positive. The action of my story is rescuing people during flood. Aman, who was 24 years old and villager from the Parari village, Bihar. During the rainy season, the authorities already informed the villagers to be on alert. Next day, the flood took places and he saw that some people are floating in the water. He jumped and rushed towards them, and with the help of NDRF team, he bring out them on the boat. He also helped more people, including women and one man. With the help of NDRF team, he was able to take them at safest place. He also provided them basic medical facilities, food and water, etc. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive 5 characters, 4 males, 1 female. Mostly are in positive mood. The age ranging from 19 to 31 years of age. The action of my story is helping during natural calamities. The action goes like: Badri, a 22-year-old NCC student, has been appointed as the regional head to evacuate people from a village called Khadak in Odisha. Due to the warning of Meteorological Department of India, it has been advised to relocate the residents of the area. He being a national level swimmer, helped the residents who were drowning in the water level increase in the region due to the sudden cloudburst. He also, using his expertise, made sure that all the residents who were drowning were made near the support rope and also evacuated from the rising water level. He made sure that all of them got medical support once they got out and made them rest in the nearby camp that was set up by the NDRF. At the end, all felt satisfied as they were relieved from the rising water level, and he also felt satisfied as he was able to help all the residents of the region.
And everyone, from the given picture, I have perceived 5 characters, 4 males and 1 female. The age bracket is between 20 to 50 years old. The action of my story is saving during village flood. Ram, a 20-year-old college student who studied in an engineering college, has went to vacation in his village, a coastal town in Odisha. Due to excessive raining, for a week. His village path was broken and the village was extremely flooded. Ram, with the help of his friend, decided to take the initiative and save the drowning people. He dragged the drowning people and dragged them to the floating structures nearby. He also set up an refugee camp with the help of government authorities. Later, he was awarded for his bravery. Thank you.
Jail everyone, from the given picture I have perceived 5 characters, 4 males, 1 female. The age bracket is between 26 to 55. Overall mood being positive. The action of my story is saving of family during calamity. Ashok, 27, was an NCC cadet and also a national level swimmer, lived near the coastal town of Kanchinagar in Odisha. He was returning to his home from his regular swimming practice, and there were also some news about bad weather conditions. As expected, due to the bad weather conditions, the flood arrived in his coastal hometown, and the flood started drowning everyone. Ashok's family was also taken away in the flood. He, with the help of his swimming and his younger brother, who also was a swimmer, rescued his family. He one by one took them to the nearby strong structure where they could all hold on to it until the flood stopped. He then, with the help of the rescue, with the help of the signal, informed the rescue team about the calamities which have been held there and called for medical aid to support his family and the villagers. Thank you.
Jai Hind. From the picture I perceived 5 characters. 1 female, dressed male, aged group from 25 to 40 years, and overall mood positive. The action of my story is scene of a lake saving the drowning people. Raj was a BTech graduate from LNCT College, Bhopal. One day he and his friend decided to go for boating at the boat club. They went to the club, got in a boat and went for the boating. While being there, they heard a splash and saw 3 people drowning. Their boat was turned upside down and they were struggling to swim. Raj and his friend dived in the water and swam to get a hold of them. Raj then caught them and helped them to turn their boat upside again. He then made them board the boat again and took them to the shore. They all were safe and they thanked Raj for helping them.
Jai Hind everyone, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived 5 characters, 4 male and 1 female. Age bracket between 40 to 42 and the mood is positive. And action of my story is scene of a flood and rescuing the people who are drowning. Ram 25 was a captain in the Indian Army who was on the leave to his village. And one day he got listened to that in the nearby area one village is being flooded. We instantly went to that village and we got one rope with him and just jumped into the river and rescued all the people from the drowning and gave them CPR and also gave them some basic foods for survival and brought up ambulance for some severely injured people and then all got rescued and everything was thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. In the given picture, I perceived that 5 characters, 4 are male and 1 is female. The age group between 25 to 30 years old. Action of my story is saving life of the person drowning in the river. Rajesh, 25 years old, teacher in the Bihar, he was a good swimmer also. One day in the Kosi rivers, in the rainy seasons started flowing and it changed into the flood. So Rajesh noticed that some families facing problems and drowning in the floods. So he just rushed to there and saved him, and he ensured that he took him to on the safe place, on the high place. Then after he ensured also the other villagers who is safe, and he also took him to the safe place, and he ensured also the kettles also took him to the safe place, and he provided him the basic necessary items like food and food, waters and etc. And later he informed to the DRF for the safeties to the villagers. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived 5 characters, 4 male, 1 female, all in the age group of 22 to 30 years. Overall mood in the picture is positive. Action of my story is helping the people struggling in the flooded area. Manish, a 26-year-old working as a Panchayat Sachiv in Rampur village in Odisha. as it was a coastal area. There was a heavy rainfall and people were seen struggling due to the floods. So he saw that people were drowning and were struggling to come out of the rush of the water. So he immediately, as he was a good swimmer, he immediately went towards the people who were drowning, pulled them out to the safer place. Then he calmed them down and also provided first aid if they had injuries. Then gave them some food and also covered them with certain clothes. Then contacted the NDRF team and government aid came later, and then maximum people were saved and taken to the higher altitude safer places, and all the people got saved in the floods. Thank you.
Hi everyone, in my story, I have perceived 5 characters. 4 are male and 1 is female. Each guy is between 28 to 45 years old. Harsh, who came to his village, went to boating with his family, and suddenly a wave came, the flood came out, and they all are in danger. So Harsh didn't panic and got an idea to save his family members. As the 3 of his family members know how to swim, and 1 of his family members doesn't know how to swim. So he sent 3 of them to the same place, and he helped one of his brother to get back to the safe place with him. And after reaching to the safe place, they all took some medicine that was necessary after that incident, and they all are safe now. Thank you.
From the given picture, I perceive 5 characters, 4 male and 1 female. Age lies between 25 to 35 years. The overall mood is positive. The action of the story is helping me rescue people from drowning. Ram, farmer living in village which lies between 2 rivers. On heavy rain, the rivers got overflowed and used to flood in the village. While reaching to the safe end, we saw a person drowning. He jumped into water. He helped him rescue him and took him to the nearby land. He also gave the signals with the help of flashlights to the rescue team so that they could be provided.
Jai Hind everyone. In the picture I have perceived 5 characters, 4 male, 1 female, age ranging between 30 to 36. The overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is saving people affected by flood. Ram was a person who used to work in NDRF and was stationed near Bhubaneswar. One day when he was doing his usual work, he got to know that the Odisha is affected by flood, and he and his team is going to be scrambled near in a nearby village near Bhubaneswar. After making necessary arrangement, he and his team reached the location where they were told. On reaching the location, they noticed that almost whole village was underwater. He also noticed that certain people were sitting near the brink of flooding water, and along with his team started to row towards them in the NDRF boat. When they were boating towards those people, he noticed that the land on which they were standing started to slide, and after some time, they were into the flooding water. As Ram was close to them, Ram and his some fellow mates jumped into the water, got the drowning people with their collars, pulled them over to the boat and gave them required first aid. On taking them to the shore, they gave them the ORS so they can regain the lost energy, and took them to the safe shelters, and later on went to help other people as well. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I have perceived 5 characters in a given picture, 4 male, 1 female, age group is between 25 to 30, all have a mood positive. Action of my story is rescuing a villager from the drone-prone area. Rohan, 25 years old, is an Indian Army soldier, is assigned a task in Gandhinagar from his senior officer that in one area they got a drone flood. Rohan immediately make the team and make the essential equipment and emergency ration for the villagers of flood-prone area. He immediately rushed to the village and rescued the people from there and take them to the heighted place where the flood is not coming, and at the end all the villagers are safe. Yeah.
Jai Hind everyone. In given picture, I am perceiving 5 characters, 4 is male and 1 is female. The action of all ages approx 25 to 30 years. all are in positive mood, and action of the story saving the public in the story. There is a Ravi, 23-year-old man in a NCC cadet, and also pursuing in engineering in a gun jump, or also preparing for the examinations. He was also a water sports player, so he got information in a nearby village. There's a fraud cases, so he immediately took his friend and gone to the village and help the people and take them to the out of the danger and keep it to safe place by with his friend. And along with this, he also given the food or energetic item to them and save them. Later they thanks to the Ravi.
Then gentlemen, from the given picture I perceive 5 characters, 4 male, 1 female, the age ranging between 25 to 35 years old. The overall mood is positive. The action of my story is evacuate from the flood area. Abhimanyu, 25, posted in Indian Coast Guard. One day he came to his village in the vacation and enjoying with his family. After that he got a alert from the government that the nearby dam is broken. After that the nearby village is facing the flood condition. Then he reached to the place and with his family he noticed his uncle is drowning in the water. He reached to the uncle and hold him and evacuate from the flood area and reach to the shore. After that, with the help of emergency services, he get medical assistance and other prevention. Thank you.